If you arrived in this video, it is because you want to know more about the GlucoFlush than I have some very important notices. Southwest paid close attention to what I have to tell you. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello. I'm Emma. Today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Flush before you actually buy this product. After many people on social networks asked me about Flush, I decided to record this video and go deeper into the investigations. I asked doctors, experts, nutritionists, forums, and many people who are already taking GlucoFlush. So I have two very important alerts. Southwest, pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GlucoFlush is, be careful with the website. You will buy the product because the GlucoFlush is only sold on the official website. And as I like to save money, I immediately bought 6 jars to guarantee the discounts and to help you. I left the discount link, the official website, here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what GlucoFlush. GlucoFlush is a liquid nutritional supplement sold exclusively online through GlucoFlush.com. According to the official website, GlucoFlush can help diabetics manage their blood sugar without relying on prescription drugs, special diets or other supplements. According to the manufacturer of GlucoFlush, diabetics and others who struggle with blood sugar and enjoy the following benefits from the formula: promote healthy weight, support the pancreas, support healthy blood sugar. GlucoFlush contains a blend of natural ingredients to support healthy blood sugar in different ways. Each ingredient is suspended in a liquid formula. You place 1 full drop of GlucoFlush in your mouth, holding it under your tongue for maximum absorption. Or you can simply mix a dropper with a glass of water, then drink the glass of water. Each serving of GlucoFlush contains 11 active ingredients. There are herbal parasite flushes, plants to support blood sugar, and other ingredients to support healthy weight and other benefits. Here are all of the ingredients in GlucoFlush and how they work. Fennel seed. GlucoFlush contains fennel seed to support healthy blood sugar, promote a healthy weight and improve vitamin absorption. Marshmallow root, a plant used in traditional medicine for centuries. Marshmallow root can purportedly support blood pressure and good health while offering strong antimicrobial properties. Black walnut whole, found in many natural cleansing and fiber supplements. Black walnut whole could help maintain healthy gut flora and boost nutrient absorption while being rich in omega-3 fatty acids. The list of ingredients and their benefits is on the official website. You use GlucoFlush by taking 1 full dropper of liquid formula daily. Fill up the dropper. Dispense the liquid with a single squeeze of the dropper bowl. Dispense directly into the mouth or mixed GlucoFlush with water for juice and other drinks. Take 1 time a day or as directed by a healthcare professional. So yes, you can trust this product. Also, for GlucoFlush to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. Even there are many people having great results with GlucoFlush, and you can have results to something very important is that GlucoFlush has a warranty and you can actually test the product. And if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. It is also important to know that GlucoFlush is totally natural and has no side effects. GlucoFlush is really good if you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I am sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of Flush, guaranteed for you. Access my suggestion if you like to save, and in addition to the complete treatment is to take a hope I helped you with that information. See you later.